Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my mousse only wash and go. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair and I'm using a spray bottle with warm water to wet my hair. Taking my fingers and just smoothing that through my hair. Then I'm going to follow up with some mousse, applying a generous amount to my hands and really working that into my hair. I try my very best to make sure that my hair is covered in this stuff. Taking my fingers and just raking it through my hair and making sure that my roots are covered in the mousse. Then I follow up with a shampoo brush and I'm just going ahead and detangling my hair. Once I'm done detangling with the brush, I go back in with my fingers and do a little bit of a rake and shingle. So right now I'm going in and doing raking, and then I'm going to take large clumps and start shingling those curls. I actually learned this from my hairdresser. I'll leave a link down below to how she does it. Of course, I can't do it exactly like her, but I'm trying my best. Alright, so this section is all done. So now we're going to move on to the next section. Taking my spray bottle of water, misting my hair until it's completely wet. Taking my fingers and smoothing that water through, and then following up with some mousse. Now moving on to the front section, this area is where my bangs are, so I'm going in with my water and really working that through with my fingers. Taking those large clumps and separating them into smaller sections. Here's what my hair looks like after it's fully covered in mousse, and here it is fully dried. I sat under my hair dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes. I rocked my hair like this for a few days and then I decided that I wanted to actually stretch my hair out. So at night I used a bonnet. I didn't band my hair just because I knew I was going to stretch it with a blow dryer. So right now I'm just kind of stretching my hair out with my fingers. Now I'm sectioning off my hair so that way I can prepare it to be stretched. So taking a small section at the back, I'm just going to hold the ends. I'm going to try and stretch my hair to my shoulders. So I have my blow dryer on high heat. And I do this for maybe about 15 seconds or so. So I'm going to go back in and pull my hair just a little bit more because I want a little bit more length. And the reason why I'm using a comb attachment versus a concentration nozzle is because I don't have one. So use whatever you got. I'm just using my fingers to kind of fluff my hair out so that way it's not stiff. And again, look at the difference. Now going on the other side, I'm just going to grab my hair halfway down, not disturbing the ends. And I'm just going to blow dry my roots. So now moving on to the next section, just hold my hair taut and blow drying my roots. So by the way, my hair is about 5 days old at this point, so it's lost some of its shine. And honestly, it's a mousse only wash and go, so it's not going to have that crazy hold that you would get with a gel or a custard. It's gonna have a soft hold and it's only gonna last a few days. So this is what my hair looks like fully stretched. It could use a little bit of shaping, but overall it's so much longer, so much more volume, and I love it. So that is how I do the mousse only wash and go. It's very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.